Welcome to the third video of architectural drawing for a residential building. In this video, I will discuss in detail the Mumty Floor Plan. So as you can see in this video, this is the Mumty Floor Plan. And this A, B, C and D are the showing the center lines of different columns and walls in the y directions. And these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10, this line represents the center lines of different columns and walls in the x-axis direction. The dotted lines shows these and that the walls and columns are hidden. And so now I'm going to zoom in so that we can explain the different terms, dimensions and different portions in detail. So we will start from the front. So this is the front side of the Mumty Floor Plan, and this is the parapet wall. This is, it has a thickness of 4.5 inches, and this parapet walls is all around the roof level. This is the roof, and this is like a boundary wall. This is the parapet wall, and this is the stairs to go to the down floor, and the area for the stairs is, this is 13 feet by 7.5 feet. 13 feet in this direction and 7.5 feet in this direction. And as you come from the down floor to this Mumty floor, this is the door as you comes to the top stair, and this is the door having a size of 3 feet 6 inches, and this door is being used to enter to this floor. This is the roof level, the top floor. So, and the slopes shows that the rain waters or any waters on the floor will go in this direction. The slope is toward this direction and go to this center point. This is the focusing point for the slope and for the waters to drain in this direction. These slope lines represents that the water will drain in this direction and will finally come to this point, and there is a pipe which is used to drain the water from this level to the ground level. And as you reach to this top stairs, so this is the door used for this bedroom. To enter this bedroom, it has a size of 3.5 feet width, and this is the bedroom has a dimensions of 13 feet by 10 feet. 13 feet in this direction and 10 feet in this direction. 10 feet. And this is the attached bathroom with this bedroom, and this is the kitchen. So the door for the kitchen is this one, 2.5 feet width. and the dimension of the kitchen is 5 feet by 4 feet, 5 feet in this direction and 4 feet in this direction. And size for the bathroom is 8 feet in this direction and 4 feet in this y direction. And these are the columns, and this column is PU column. It has been named by a structural engineer. This column PU means pickup column is you can see I will show you in the structural drawing. So let's come to the structural drawing. This is the structural drawing layout. So this is the Mumty floor slab reinforcement, and this is the column PU column. PU means pickup. This is named for the designation for this column by the structural engineer. So let's come back to the structural architecture drawing. This is the that PU column, and so it is done. The dimension for this wall is 4.5 inches thickness for this wall, and this is a 9 inches thick wall, 9 inches. And this is also 9 inches thick wall, and this is also thickness of 9 inches. And this is the patio. It has a dimension of 8.5 feet by 4 feet, 8.5 feet in this direction and 4 feet in this direction, in y direction. And this is the section BB. You will see the detail in the other coming video. And this is the overhead water tank. Overhead water tank, OHWT, and it has a dimension of 5 feet by 8 feet. 5 feet in this direction and 8 feet in this direction. And this is the parapet wall, and and the thickness of this parapet wall is 4.5 inches. This is also a parapet wall. This is the parapet wall. So this was all about the architectural drawing plan for the Mumty floor. So thank you for watching this video. Now if you have any question related to this video, you can ask in comment sections.